discover ways to help you stop snoring. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, so why doesn't he do something about it? That song was written in the days before effective treatments for snoring, but today there is such a variety of options that it would be silly to just ignore your problem. Read on to find some tips to help you beat the snoring demon once and for all. Most people snore during their deepest sleep while lying on their back. Usually, it is not a problem unless the snoring disturbs their sleeping partner, in which case, they will probably be awakened and be asked to roll on their side. This action is probably the first and oldest cure for snoring. While it may take a little time, losing any excess weight can be extremely beneficial to snorers. Being overweight puts extra pressure on many places in your body, including the throat, which can lead to snoring. Since your neck is one of the first places you lose weight from, even just a few pounds can help calm snoring down. You may want to think of trying certain treatments specifically made for snoring. They are proven to be effective and may be the only option you have left. There are a wide range of treatments used for snoring, including certain throat sprays, nasal strips, and even oral strips. If snoring has become a nighttime concern, then it is time to give dairy products such as milk, yogurt or cheese a miss before you go to sleep each night. This is because the dairy products can cause mucus to build up near your breathing passages, and this will trigger off snoring. It might sound like a prank your sibling would have played on you as a child, but singing may actually cure your snoring problem. Singing will build up the muscles in your throat over time. Snoring can be reduced with strong throat muscles. Additionally, certain instruments, such as the saxophone and trumpet, can strengthen throat muscles. Smoking causes your throat to swell, which in turn causes you to snore at night. One good way to prevent snoring is to stop smoking now. Try a smoking cessation class, over-the-counter nicotine patches or a prescription medication from your doctor. You will not only improve your health and prevent lung cancer, but you will sleep better at night. If you often find yourself snoring at night, avoid drinking alcohol. Alcohol can suppress the central nervous system, thus causing all the muscles in your throat to fall into a relaxed state. Your jaw muscles will relax too, increasing any snoring problems. Only drink in moderation, if at all, and you will avoid this problem. This video has laid out many simple, effective and affordable options for treating snoring which anyone can get access to. It can be as simple as losing weight or possibly having to buy a CPAP machine, but no matter what, you may be able to find something which works for you if you try out these tips. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.